If you're trying to sign out of the App Store on your iPhone or iPad, pause for a second, because doing it the wrong way can log you out of iCloud too, break your subscriptions, or make your apps stop updating without you realizing why. In this video, I'll show you how to sign out of your App Store account safely, step by step, without touching anything else on your phone. Here's the truth most people don't realize. On iPhone, your App Store account and your Apple ID are the same login. So if you go digging in the wrong menu, you're not just signing out of the App Store, you're signing out of iCloud, Find My, iMessage, all of it at once. That's not what most people actually want. Usually, you just want to log out of the App Store, maybe to switch to a family member's account, download a region-specific app, or clean up before selling the device. So before we look at the steps, you need to understand one important thing. There are two different ways to sign out, and only one of them keeps everything else intact. This is the method most people should use. Open Settings, tap your name at the top, that's your Apple ID. Scroll all the way down and you'll see Sign Out. Now this is important. Signing out here signs you out of everything, App Store included. But it keeps your data safe as long as you don't delete anything first. Before you tap it, iOS will ask which data you want to keep on the device, things like contacts, calendars, and Safari data. Choose what you want to keep locally, then confirm. This does not delete your apps or wipe your phone. You'll just need to sign back in to re-download anything or get updates. Now, if you specifically only want to sign out of the App Store and keep iCloud, Mail, and everything else logged in, there's a second path. Open the App Store app, tap your profile icon in the top right corner, scroll down, and tap Sign Out. This one only affects your App Store and iTunes purchases. Your iCloud, your photos, your messages, none of that is touched. This is the method most people actually want, and it's the one that trips people up the least. This is where many people make a mistake. They go into Settings, tap Sign Out, and then panic when their messages disappear or Find My stops working. That's not a bug. That's iOS doing exactly what you told it to do, because the Apple ID sign-out affects every service tied to that account. So if your goal is narrow, just the App Store, always use the App Store app method, not the settings method. Let's quickly cover a few things people run into. If sign-out is grayed out or missing in the App Store app, it usually means screen time restrictions are blocking account changes, or you're signed in through a managed device, like a work or school iPhone. Check Settings, Screen Time, Content and Privacy Restrictions, and make sure account changes are allowed. If you sign out and your purchased apps disappear from your home screen, don't worry, they're not deleted. They're just hidden because they're tied to the signed out account. Sign back in and they'll reappear. Once you're signed out, if your goal was to switch to another Apple ID, just reopen the App Store, tap the profile icon again, and sign in with the new account. You do not need to restart your phone, and you do not need to reset any settings. Your existing apps stay installed either way. You'll just need the original account to update anything purchased under it. And that's it. No shortcuts, no risky deletes, just the clean way iOS actually expects you to do it. If you only want to switch App Store accounts, use the App Store app's own sign-out option. If you genuinely want to sign out of your entire Apple ID, use Settings and choose carefully what data to keep. You didn't rush it, you followed the safe, correct method, and nothing on your phone is broken. If this guide helped you, subscribe for more simple, up-to-date iPhone and App Store tutorials like this one.